You need to hear this if you love epic animal facts. Imagine flying from the North Pole to the South Pole and then back again. That's just a normal year for the Arctic tern. Every year, the Arctic tern, about the size of a pigeon, makes an unbelievable journey from the Arctic to Antarctica and then returns home. That's a round trip of up to 70,000 kilometers, or 43,000 miles. To put it in perspective, over its lifetime, one Arctic tern can fly the distance from Earth to the Moon and back, not once, not twice, but 3 times. Talk about dedication. So next time you see a bird, just remember, some of them are literally out of this world. Follow for more wild animal facts.